So we have our last tweet and it's from Anne Orquia. Ang tanong niya, for the both of you, what inspires you most?
What inspires us most? It's probably yung just wanting to win. I think for the both of us, our competitive nature, we really want to win as much as we can. Pero yun nga, maganda rin na nandyan din siya, nakasama ko rin kasi yun nga, you get to be inspired, you get to think about being competitive knowing that, you know, yung kasama mo is really competitive as well. So siguro I think yun yung nakakapagpa-motivate sa amin.
Okay, how about you naman, Lai?
I guess it's the time, the effort, and the sacrifices we make during training and during the games. Yun lang siguro nakaka-inspire sa amin. And all the fans, all the supporters, our family, and especially all the athletes na, katulad nga ni Kiefer, sabi niya nga, who inspires you, di ba? Siyempre yung mga tao din na same thing yung ginagawa sa'yo. So, ayan.
Okay, so it's